Good morning, welcome to your daily weather briefing at 10 a.m. We have some humid and warm conditions out there this morning. We're going to have a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. We'll develop mostly cloudy skies by late morning into the afternoon hours today with a fairly widespread cumulus field that will develop over the region. Also have some low cloudiness that will build in towards the evening hours, so average out mostly cloudy today with that slight chance of thunderstorms. Last 24 hours across the Mid-Atlantic region, we saw temperatures anywhere from the lower 80s to the lower 90s. Norfolk and Newport News were at 90 degrees yesterday. Those were the warm spots. Here at Wallops, we were in the lower 80s to mid 80s at 83. Other locations along the coastline were cooler at 79 at Ocean City. Across region last night, saw temperatures anywhere from the upper 60s to mid 70s. Baltimore was at 69 degrees. That was a cool spot. Here at Wallops, we were 76, and we were the warm spot across the region last night. Did see a little bit of precipitation across the Mid-Atlantic region yesterday. Richmond saw 45 hundredths. That was the most. Here at Wallops, we only saw 3 hundredths. Salisbury saw just over a quarter of an inch at 27 hundredths. As of 9 a.m., we are seeing anywhere from mostly sunny to cloudy skies, so variably cloudy out there. Seeing temperatures warming quickly into the 80s across the southern and southeastern portions of the Mid-Atlantic region this morning, and here at Wallops are 82 degrees under partly cloudy skies. Looking at our sounding, as of 12 this morning, we had a freezing level at 13,600 feet. Our winds are westerly to west-northwesterly throughout the column today, seeing a peak wind at 9,000 feet at 27 knots, and winds remaining around 20 to 25 knots above that level. Looking at our surface observations from this morning, seeing temperatures warming in the lower 80s, winds out of the west, so a warm wind component for here at Wallops. Seeing a few light rain showers and an embedded moderate rain shower across the northern portions of the Delmarva Peninsula this morning. We'll see a cold front moving through, and winds will turn northeasterly to northerly. We're going to see those northerly winds out of Atlantic City this morning. That front will be sliding down the coast for this afternoon. That's going to provide us with our lifting mechanism, for our chances of showers and thunderstorms for this afternoon. Looking at our surface analysis, as of 12Z this morning, we have this frontal boundary that's slowly moving south across the Mason-Dixon line. It's going to continue to move south towards our region for the afternoon hours. We'll have a weak area high pressure built in briefly for this evening before we have a return of this frontal boundary for the overnight hours with a chance of some rain showers. Looking at our prog charts the next few days, here's our Thursday midday planner showing this pocket of showers and possible thunderstorms across mainly the central and eastern portions of the Delmarva Peninsula. It's going to be tough to have a widespread coverage of these showers and thunderstorms, as they will be pop-up in variety. Looking at our Thursday night planner, we'll have a disturbance starting to move towards the region from the west. It's going to be allowing for us to have some rain showers moving into the region. And for our Friday AM planner, we'll have a lot of cloud cover out there in the low levels, as well as some scattered showers across the region. For our Friday PM planner, this prog chart is really showing not much shower activity, but I do expect us to have a fair amount of rain shower and possibly some moderate rain showers tomorrow morning into the early afternoon hours before we start to see a break for the late afternoon hours in the evening, with this frontal boundary across the region and also an upper level disturbance moving over the Mid-Atlantic area. Looking for our Saturday PM planner, we'll have that stationary boundary that was across the region on Friday move back north as a warm front Saturday night, and then cross the area once again on Saturday afternoon as a cold front. We'll have fairly good heating on Saturday afternoon, increasing our instability, and we could be seeing some scattered strong thunderstorms on Saturday afternoon with the higher amounts of instability we'll see, as well as stronger wind field across the region. Looking at our risk chart for today, we'll have a green chart for the daytime hours today, a high of 87 degrees. Winds light in the northwest for this afternoon, turning briefly southwesterly before that front comes through. And once the front does move south of the region, we'll see a northeasterly component to our winds, 8 to 13 knots, gusts to 17 knots. And temperatures will fall down into the lower 70s once that front does move south of the region. We'll have a chance of rainfall and showers becoming likely during the overnight time period, a low of 69 degrees. Onshore flow out of the northeast, 8 to 13 knots, gusting to 18 knots by tomorrow morning. We'll have a chance of some low cloudiness in the region with our ceilings, and we'll have a yellow for our ceilings overnight below 500 feet. Currently we do have a broken deck at 1,900 feet, a broken deck at 15,000 feet, a broken deck at 25,000 feet with mostly cloudy conditions. Continue with mostly cloudy conditions during the afternoon hours. Slight chance of a shower and a 15% chance of a thunderstorm over the area. When we move into the night, we'll have rain showers becoming likely after 2300 local, and we'll see scattered showers, especially after 5 local on Friday morning. A possibility of a moderate shower in the region. We'll have low cloudiness building in, and by Friday at 8 local, we'll have a broken deck at 600 feet, overcast deck at 3,000 feet with some rain showers in the area. Very slight chance of a thunderstorm, but with those northeast winds, looking at that, it would be a very slight chance and only 10%. Our tides are slightly above normal, and looking to Friday and to Saturday, Friday is going to be overcast and breezy and cooler, with rain showers likely during the morning and early afternoon. A slight chance of rain showers in the late afternoon and evening. We'll have a high of 74 degrees, orange for precipitation, yellow for winds above or at 25 knots, and ceilings below 500 feet. Friday night we'll have a warm front moving through the area. We'll have mostly cloudy skies, a slight chance of shower or thunderstorm with that warm front moving through. A low of 71 degrees, yellow for precipitation, and the lightning chances look to stay at about 15% for Friday night. Our ceilings will be around 500 feet early Friday night, and that'll give us a yellow for our ceilings. For Saturday, we'll have partly to mostly cloudy skies and breezy conditions out of the southwest. Scattered showers and thunderstorms during the afternoon and evening. Some of the storms could contain heavy rain and gusty winds of a high of 87 degrees. A orange for precipitation and lightning on Saturday, a yellow for our winds at or greater than 25 knots. Looking at the next 7 days, we'll have a warm day today and humid at 87 degrees. Chance of a pop-up shower or thunderstorm. Once that front does move south of our region, we'll have temperatures dropping back in the lower 70s. Chance of rainfall tonight and tomorrow, primarily during the morning on Friday, but we can't rule out showers continuing on into the afternoon hours. High of 74. Saturday and Sunday we'll see warm conditions once again for the weekend. Highs in the upper 80s and chances of showers and thunderstorms, especially during the afternoon hours. Saturday looks like a better chance of rainfall than does Sunday. Sunday looks like a late day variety of showers and thunderstorms. Monday we'll start to see our dew points and humidity decrease across the region, more comfortable 84 degrees, and then Tuesday looks like a very nice day. We'll have onshore flow, high of 77 degrees, and Wednesday, that high pressure that will be overhead on Tuesday will move off the coast, giving us more of a southerly return and a start to warm up for the middle portion to end portion of next week at a high of 81 degrees. That's going to wrap up the weather briefing this morning. I hope everybody has a great day, and back tomorrow morning at 8:15 and 10 a.m.